Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Code Camp with Fatima Ali. This is Fatima Ali here and I am with a new tutorial. I'm here with you. I'm here for you guys with a new tutorial, and this is going to be about a Python project that we are going to try about a chatbot module on Replit.com, and it's a really fun project to try and you can do it quickly. So let's just not waste our time anymore and hop into the video. All right, there you go. Let me play this video for you. Okay, this is a chatbot. A user and a bot are going to interact with each other using the Python language. Okay, it says, "Hey champ, I'm Gamio, your personal assistant. What is your name?" And that is my name. All right. So how old are you? I'm not gonna disclose, but I'm just gonna say this one. Okay. What else? By the way, what do you do in your free time? What do you do? That's cool. Usually I play video games. Do you want to know which games do I play? Yeah, of course, why not? Great. So I play FIFA and Minecraft. These games are very fun to play. Which games do you play? Roblox with my students. That's cool. Anyways, it was great talking to you, Fatima. Let's catch up again soon again. So, what did you guys notice? That's the bot is asking questions, okay? It's taking the name of the user, it's asking about the age, it's asking about the interests, and it's also telling it about interested what games that it plays, only using the condition yes or no. Okay, so in programming languages there is a conditional. Okay, we use conditionals, and that are if and else, while, do while. That's a loop, by the way. So yeah, with the loop also. So we use these conditionals, and I'll let you know in this tutorial how we use them. And Python is really easy to learn if you have the basic understanding of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java. Then you're good to go and learn. Go ahead and try out Python as well. For you guys, let's go ahead, and that's a REPL. I have already an account set up. Okay, we're going to use the Python language. Of course, we are going to name our project that is going to be about, let's not keep it capital, chatbot. Okay. Hmm. It's booting a REPL. It's now connected. Okay, in every class we have, sorry, in every programming language, obviously, we have a class and a child class. Means a main class, main file, and a sub file, which we are going to create it ourselves. That is chatbot.py, because that is what we are going to work on, right? So now we have a parent class and a subclass, okay, a child class. And in the parent class, we are going to call out, import the files from the child class. So how we do with that? We just use import chat. Okay, that's what we're doing. Chatbot, that is the class, dot chat as a function, and we are good to go. Okay, that's it. Simple. This is how we are going to call out in the from the main class. Okay, from from this one to the main class. Okay. All right. Next, we are going to use a time function. It's a function. Okay. These are some functions that we use in our programming to use certain features, right? So in functions, we are going to use import time. Why? Because the bot is not going to ask the questions just all at once, right? It doesn't make sense, it doesn't look appropriate, it doesn't give a good, like, what are you going to crazy that, oh, okay, it's working on that. It doesn't feel right, right? That it's asking all of the questions all at once. So, yeah, okay, we are going to use the time function in it. often. Okay, now we're going to define the chat function that we're going to use. That's how it's defined. Okay, next we're going to use how the bot is going to ask questions. When the bot is asking the questions, the user or welcoming or saying, not questions actually, not asking, it's actually giving its remark, or the bot is saying something, we use the term syntax print. Okay, sorry. And now we are going to write something in it. Hey friend, let's use friend. I am chatbot. I'm a bot and your personal assistant. As your personal assistant. All right, that's it. Whew. Next, we are going to move on to the next part, and now we're going to activate a time function that we used for 1 second. Obviously, let's give a 1 second, a little break is recommended to move on to the next part. Next, what we are going to do is that we are going to use, uh, yeah, it's going to ask the question, right? It's going to take the input from the user, right? So it's about going to be about name. So let's give a space. Oops. Ooh, sorry. It's supposed to be equals to and input. Okay, that's how it takes input from the user, and then it says, "What is your name?" It asks, by the way. Oops. Okay, and that's how it asks. And next, we are going to move on to the next line, and then again, it's going to give a compliment, a comment, or whatever you call it. That's a really good name. All right. Next, let's quickly move on to the next line. We are going to have time.sleep. That would be recommended because time is an important thing. Okay. Next, we are going to make sure it's asked about the age. So age, okay. And how do we take age? We take it in integers. Okay. So age is a number, obviously. When we want to take any value in numbers or any decimal or something, we use integers. Okay, um, not alphabetic. Okay, not characters, not char. We're talking about numbers over here, so that is in the format of integers. Okay, so integers, then we take input, and then what is the input? It's like so now it's supposed to ask in this way. That will be better. Plus name plus. Okay, so plus name plus. Okay, how old are you? All right, that's better. Next, we're going to move on to another part that would be print. Okay, now it's going to say, it's going to give its own remark. Wow, let's write that. Wow, and what else it should say? Okay, I'm just 1 day old, as created by my creator, whatever. What do you want to say? It doesn't matter. Next, we are going to have, let's press enter and let's move on to have again time.sleep. This time, let's have it for 3 seconds. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, or 3 seconds would be a lot. No, it's fine. Okay, it's now going to ask interest. Okay, how do we take interest? Obviously, interest equals to, okay, input. Obviously, it's not a character, it's not a digit, and it's a simple question. Inside this, wow, it's now going to ask what will be best. By the way, oh, sorry. By the way, what do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Did you notice I have a good speed? Just kidding. Anyways, next what we are going to do is we are going to, okay, now it's taking the input from the user, right, about the interest. Now next it's going to give a remark itself. So what is it? That's that's good, or that's cool. Okay, and usually now it's talking about itself, so we can say usually I play video games. Okay, so now, okay, it said about this. Now, in time dot sleep, the game hasn't ended over here. Okay, the chatbot has 2 seconds. That will be okay, not much. It's going to ask a question. Okay, now the question series starts. So the question is going to be, oh, okay, equals to, in this manner. Okay, it's going to take input and, let's go input and first question that it's supposed to ask, do you want to know which games do I play? Do you want to know which games I like to play? Mhm. And then that's a good enough. Okay, no, we're not done over here. What we are going to do is that it's going to ask in yes and no, right? Because we are going to use, what are we going to use? Conditions, okay? So yes and no. You no, n is really capital. We just don't want it. Okay, in this manner. Why we are using yes and no? Obviously, we are going to implement and conditionals. That is if and else conditionals. Okay, we are going to use those. So that's why we are giving if and else, right? If the computer has to give some choices, we use if and else, right? The computer also needs choices, right? Makes sense. Okay. Now the next part is interesting. Now we're going to use the if condition. Okay. Did we use the time dot sleep? Yeah, we're done. Okay. That is okay. We're going to use if question. Let's suppose if the user is answering the question, which is equals to. Let's give a space, and that is yes. Oh, let's make Y capital because we did the Y capital over there. There you go. I think that's how it's done. See, the if condition is started. And we're going to use else also. So let's do this way. Hmm, no, it's not going to work like this. Okay, no problem. So it's supposed to print. Oh, not capital. Print. Come on. Yeah. Was it what it's supposed to do? It's supposed to tell if it's answering yes. So the computer has to tell what games does it like to play, right? So let's write great as a compliment, and then so I play Fortnite and Minecraft, and they are really fun to play. They are really fun to play. Okay, so we are at, that's it. Um, I think, yeah, we did this right. Okay, then we're done with this part, I guess. Yeah, that's enough. Now, we're going to have a time dot sleep. That would be okay. Again, because we're not just jumping into the questions a lot. Let's do it for 2 seconds, probably. That's fine. Yeah. Time dot sleep. Yeah. Um, okay. Now it's supposed to ask a question two. Okay. So what is the question two about? It's going to get equals to. Hmm, let's take the input from the user first, and inside the input we are going to ask which games would you do you like to play. Okay. Okay. So when the user look over here, when the user is answering in yes, so this is going to be the reply by the bot. Okay. We will do no and else. Okay. Right now we're doing this way. Okay. So let me just clear this thing out. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay, good. Now we are working on the yes right now, so everything is now we've moved on to the next question, that is which games do you like to play, and what else should it be. um, and then that's oh yeah, it's supposed to give a remark when it takes the you input from the user. That's that's really nice, or that's really cool, whatever. Oops. That's it. And then um what else? Okay, we are going to use time dot sleep. We are not done yet. So let's again use this function, and that'll be for 1 second. That's enough. Time dot sleep, and now it's going to end the conversation. That will be better, not to prolong it. All right. It was fun talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Whatever you want to say to this. It was nice talking to you. And see, I have something interesting. After to you, you're going to write plus name plus. It's going to take the name of the user. The user gave it in the first place, right? So it's going to, what do you call, interact in a humanly way, that it's taking the name of the user. It's talking to the person, right? The bot. So it's like it was nice talking to you, and whatever the name is over there, whatever the user enters, and okay, then we just move on and let's catch up later. Later, goodbye. I have to remove one of this. uh no, I ended over here, so we don't need. No, no, we need this. Okay, that's better now. All right. Yeah. Okay, next. Something wrong with my screen? Yeah. By the way, it's a touch screen, so it's a great laptop. Yeah. All right. Now we wanted to use else. Why else is not working? Hey, yeah, else. Hmm. How come else is not working? Let me try it from here. No problem. Oh my god. It always does with. I don't know why. I've never figured out why it does that. Just give me a second. Okay. Control C. Let's just use else. Okay, good. Now we're going to use it. Oh, why is it doing that? Give me a second. What? This is so crazy. It should come like this. No, no, no. Shut up, computer. I'm in the middle of something and my tutorial is like, hmm, why is it doing that? I'm so bad. This is so bad. Oh, this is not gonna work like this. It's not even taking it like this. I'm sorry. Let me try to do it again. Okay. If question else, print. Okay, let's try to do this. Print. Okay, great. It. What was the question that I just don't want to paste it anymore. So I'm thinking of it. Yeah, yeah, great. So I play Fortnite and Fortnite and what was it? It's like Minecraft. And these are really fun to play. These are really fun to play. All right. And the next line we had yeah. What did we have actually? In the next line, yeah, we use the time dot sleep. That is for the 2 seconds probably. And yeah, next we are going to have a question two. Yes, question two. That is question two. What what is going to be our question two? Input. Okay, try to do a space. Doesn't look good like this way. So, which games would you like to play? Which games do you like to play? Okay, and have which as a capital one letter. then we are going to have, yeah, we're going to give the bot is supposed to say something now. That's cool. Okay. Okay, that is when it's asking, like I explained it to you earlier. First, let me write it time dot sleep and that. Let's give it for 1 second. Okay, now in the else, that is what. Okay, no, we are not done with this. We are going to end. We forgot to end it. The conversation over here. Anyways, it was nice talking to you, right? Anyways, it was nice talking to you. Plus name plus. Oops, not like this. Plus name plus. Let's catch up later. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's how we end it, okay? Okay, now in the end, when if the else is when the user is going to say no, okay? So let's suppose if the user is saying no, so we're just going to end up, yeah? Okay, oh, we're just going to end the conversation. Oh well, oh well, I'll be fine. Oh well. Uh, sorry. What should I say? Okay, let's catch up later over here as well. Let's catch up later whenever you want to. Whenever you want to. Okay. And let's try using the name as well. First name plus. Goodbye. Okay, I think we're done. Yeah, that's good. So we have created this, and I hope you have understood by now what I did over here. So this is it. Yeah, yeah. First, I was having a little bit trouble over here, but I removed everything inside from the if. We just put it together, if and else, and then mentioned everything from the start. Anyways, so this is what is the coding looks like, and let's run it now. Okay, it's reconnecting. All right. Oh, we did a mistake over here somewhere. No, that's a function that we needed. Hey, we use that. I think I did a mistake. No, it's supposed to be like that. Give me a second. No, we don't use this anyways. We do it in the subclass. Hey, nothing wrong with you guys? Chatbot.chat. No, just a second. Supposed to be chatbot. Oh my god. Okay, there's a problem in line 21 also. Okay, we fix that. Oh, that's fine now. We had a problem in line 21 only. It was only driving crazy. Hey friend, I'm a bot. as your personal assistant. What is your name? That's it. That's a really good name. So Fatima, how old are you? See, it took my name over here. Yeah, I am not 25. Well, I'm just 1 day old. One, I didn't write old. Oh no, I'm so sorry. We did that 1 day old. Anyways, we'll fix it in the next time. What do you like to do in your free time? Watch YouTube. The space time, right? That's cool. Usually I play video games. Do you want to know which games I like to play? Why not? Yes. Let's try yes first. So I play Fortnite and Minecraft. These are really fun to play. Which games do you like to play? Roblox with my students. I don't know why students love Roblox more than any other game, by the way. That's cool. Anyways, it was nice talking to you, Fatima. Let's catch up later. Goodbye. See? So, this was a really fun project to try. I hope you give a try yourself and let me know in the comments below what you think of it and what else would you like me to try with you for like as a tutorial on Python. There are a lot of things that we can do on Python. Okay, this was just a little one. And yeah, I think it's done. What else should I say? I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm just a random person, posting videos out of fun. Because programming, coding, whatever you call it, it's my profession, okay? And it's my interest also. I've tried developing interest in different fields and stuff like that, but no, never worked out for me. Sorry about that. I don't know, my brain works on these things, stupid things. Okay, that was it. So I really like how the computer interacts with this, how we can interact with the computer and learning a language, either it's a human or a computer, is my hobby. So, yeah, I guess enough talking about that. Enough talking about me. All right, thank you for watching. Give a like, subscribe, and share if you want to. This was ask that I should, you know, I must, make a tutorial for you guys and upload it on my channel so you guys can enjoy and try something. And for my boys and girl from my relatives, you guys know who I'm talking about. So you guys enjoy, all right? Try it. I don't want to name it right now. All right. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now. See you next time. Toodles.